Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can withdraw money from Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com, so this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top right corner and click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you're gonna find right here in this list user center, order, warehouse, parcel, wallet, and lastly logout. So go ahead and click on user center. And then once you click on user center, you're gonna be right here in this page. So as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find your balance here, your Pandabuy points, your coupons, your growth value, and right here under your balance, you're gonna find top up and withdraw. So go ahead and click on withdraw, and once you click here, you're gonna find the available withdrawal here in this list. So basically guys, I don't have any available withdrawals, that's why the list is empty, but if it's full, you're gonna find some infos like the start date, transaction method, withdrawal limit, discount, the number of the transaction, and lastly the action. So you can also guys go to the left side of your screen and then search for wallets. Once you click on wallets, right here you're gonna find also your balance. You're gonna find here the top up option. And basically guys, if you have an amount right here, you can withdraw it with an extra button that's gonna be right here, which is called refund. I don't have any balance, so I'm gonna show you guys in this picture how it looks like. So as you can see guys, if you have some money right here, you can refund your money and it's gonna be refunded to the original bank and you can withdraw it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.